Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Stag Beetle in Heartopia. So it needs to either be dawn, day, or dusk, like the time, and you will find it in the jump puzzle area, like at the jump puzzle area. Um, and just kind of go around, and if you don't see it, it could be on like some tree trunks. Also, it only spawns when it's raining or rainbow, like the weather. And I think you have to be level 7 of insect catching to get it. As you can see, there's one on this tree right here. So I'm just going to catch that. And finally, I got the stag beetle. This is what the beetle looks like. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have, I'm lagging. Any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!